Have you ever seen this on the side of a tree or on a branch? It's called a shield lichen. What is a lichen? It's actually a combination of a fungus and an algae growing together. Here are some more lichens on a branch that just came down in my yard. But over here, I have some very special structures. They are birds' nests from migrating birds. This one was made by a ruby-throated hummingbird. This is a larger one and probably made by a blue-gray gnatcatcher, another migratory bird. They are very neat. The birds gather bits of plant fiber, and particularly with the hummingbird, even bits of spider webs. And they make their little cup nests. Then they actually go to a tree and find some lichens and pull up little bits to place on that sticky spider web surface and create their nests. What a fascinating connection with animals and lichens, with birds and lichens. See what lichens you can find in your backyard or on a tree in your neighborhood.